Newest product, Harley Springer 2-inch over. We're going to look at details of it. For a moment, we're going to have a look at steering dampener complete, part number 48 500-42, and that was for the XA model only. In this setup, you can see that some parts are painted olive drab, some are cut plated, some are parkerized. Between the spare parts and the manufacturing, there was differences, there was changes during the production. But also I want to notice on the bottom here, as you can see, this is a brand new NOS. That's why it's sort of a little bit of patina, but it's 45 540-42 and it's disc steering dampener XA. It is different than any other model. What we're looking at now, it's horn and terminal block brackets. I'm just showing it right now without the terminal bracket. These are brand new product also. They were originally from the factory parkerized. Some people paint them olive drab, but correct was parkerized. These ones are just painted black for now, so the customer can make a decision which way they want to go with it. Horn brackets, terminal block. We're gonna have a closer look. Rivets are loose at this point, so the customer can put a preferred finish on the brackets. Correct hardware, correct length, proper style of bolts and nuts and washers in the proper sequence, the way it was from the factory. Since the suspension was weak on the XA model, the last month of the production in the war, part number 46 109-42 was added, and it's called spring spacer shim. That's why only the latest produced XAs come with it from the factory. These are NOS. Parkerizing needs to be redone. This is how they look like. We were able to actually find and get some of these originals, so our Springer comes with it. We're going to go and have a look at it. This is exactly where they fit, where they're supposed to be. They intended to install them on all previously built models in 5 months prior to, but that had never happened. The horn what goes with the Springer, just like the original was, painted olive drab. We'll have a look on the mounting of it from behind. I mean, you can see beautiful work. It's also stamped Delco Remy, and as the electrical system was 6 volt, it's also stamped 6 volt. This is how it looks, the horn, when it's installed. Next part, what's goes with the Springer, it's part number 69 102-42 shield horn. It was used on XAs. That's another new product we just came out with. And now with the shield on it. Next part, 2759-36N was for olive drab paint. Plate upper cone lock goes with the Springer also. Here it is, top plate and the nut installed. This is how the Springer looks from top to the bottom. Dry assembled. It will still need to be taken apart, lubed up. We're gonna have a tool supplied with this Springer every time it goes out, so people can actually take them apart, grease them up, or paint them the color they would like to have them in and put them back together. This is looking on it from top and from behind, so you see all the parts what goes with it. Here is a top view again, and if you're building XA, putting XA back together and you're missing a front end, here's one. Or if you're working on Knucklehead and want to make something with a couple inches extra longer one, or any other project, you can contact us at milansmotorcycles.com.